weekend and I went to a local Asian supermarket and I bought this. It's a mooli. It's a white radish. Doesn't that look wonderful? What should I do with it? I don't know. If you've got any ideas, please leave me a comment down below. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to make a slaw. I'm going to be using this mooli and this carrot. So there's the mooli, there's the carrot. I'm going to need some Dijon mustard and some mayonnaise. So we make a start with the carrot. I'm going to peel and grate that, then onto the mooli. Do the same with this, take that end off, peel it, and then we're going to grate it nice and finely on this little gadget here, this mandolin. There we go. Take a clean bowl, in we go. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 dessert spoons of mayonnaise. Give this a good mix together, and then when it's mixed, we can go in with that shredded carrot. Oh, doesn't that look a nice vibrant colour? Beautiful. Followed by the mooli, followed by a good mix together. We want to get all of these flavours nicely incorporated, and there you have it, a really delicious and tasty Mooli Slaw. Time for a taste test. Really, and what a taste test that is. It's so flavoursome. That touch of Dijon mustard in there, and the mayonnaise, and the mooli, and the carrot, and it's all together, the mixture of flavours, it really is tasty. So next time you buy a mooli, you don't know what to do with your mooli, you can make a Mooli Slaw. Well tasty. Please try this recipe for yourself. While you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be great if you're not already subscribed. Thanks so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.